In the Warning Systems modules, we will cover Engine Indication and Crew Alerting System, Ground Proximity Warning System, Takeoff Configuration Warning System, Landing Configuration Warning System, Stall Warning System, and Overspeed Warning System. Part 1, we will discuss the Engine Indication and Crew Alerting System, also known as ICAS. We will begin with an overview, followed by a discussion of the Crew Alerting System. The Engine Indication portion of ICAS is discussed in detail in the Power Plant module and is introduced here only briefly.
The Engine Indication Crew Alerting System provides three types of information: engine indications, crew alerting messages for non-normal conditions, and system status information.
Engine alert and system information is normally presented on two cathode ray tubes, or CRTs, on the center panel. ICAS logic divides this information into two general categories referred to as the primary ICAS display and the secondary ICAS display. ICAS normally presents the primary ICAS display on the upper CRT and the secondary ICAS display on the lower CRT.
The Engine Indication Crew Alerting System is the primary means of crew alerting. Alert messages of non-normal conditions are displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the primary ICAS display.
Status information used for dispatch is normally displayed in the lower left-hand corner of the secondary ICAS display.
Sensors throughout the airplane provide engine and systems information to three EFIS ICAS interface units, or EIUs. The selected EIU supplies processed information to the ICAS system.
The ICAS control panel located on the center panel is used to control ICAS display brightness and EIU selection. The ICAS EIU selector is normally placed in the auto position. If all three EIUs are functioning normally, the left EIU controls the ICAS system.
With the EIU selector in auto, automatic switching will occur if one or two EIUs fail. The switching sequence is left, center, then right.
With any position other than auto selected, there is no automatic switching in the event of an EIU failure. Only the selected EIU controls the ICAS system.
Question. Answer C is correct.
When an EIU failure occurs with the EIU selector in auto, EIU control automatically switches to an operating EIU. The switching sequence is left, center, right. Now let's discuss the crew alerting portion of ICAS. Orals and two master warning and caution lights located on master warning caution reset switches are a part of the crew alerting system. These switches are located on the glare shield. The EIUs continually monitor all airplane systems. If a malfunction occurs, the selected EIU displays a crew alerting message on the primary ICAS display. Since ICAS displays the airplane's system indications and alert messages, the crew does not scan the various panels for non-normal conditions. Prior to takeoff, these messages are also used in conjunction with the dispatch deviation guide, or airline equivalent, to determine if dispatch relief is available.
ICAS alert messages are divided into 3 priority levels: warning, caution, and advisory. All messages remain displayed on ICAS as long as the conditions exist.
ICAS warning messages are the highest priority of alert messages and are displayed at the top of the message list in red. An example of a warning condition is an engine fire. When more than one warning condition exists, the newest message is displayed at the top of the warning message list.
Oral alerts and master warning lights call your attention to a warning message. One of 3 oral alerts accompanies an ICAS warning message. A bell accompanies a fire message. A wailer accompanies an autopilot message. And a siren accompanies all other warning messages. For most ICAS warning messages, pushing either master warning caution reset switch extinguishes and resets both lights and silences the oral alert. For some warnings, pushing a master warning caution reset switch will not silence the oral alert. These warning messages are described in later warnings modules.
Question. Answer B is correct. Question. Answer B is correct.
Now, let's look at ICAS caution messages.
ICAS caution messages are the next highest priority of alert message and are amber to distinguish them from warning messages. An example of a caution message is gear disagree. When more than one caution message is displayed, the newest caution message is displayed at the top of the caution message list.
Cautions are also indicated by a beeper and master caution lights, which call your attention to a caution message. The beeper silences automatically after 4 beeps. Pushing either master warning caution reset switch extinguishes and resets both lights. Now let's look at advisory messages. Advisory messages are the lowest priority of alert messages. Advisory messages are displayed in amber and are indented 1 space to distinguish them from caution messages. An example of an advisory condition is a TAT probe overheat. When more than one advisory condition exists, the newest advisory message is displayed at the top of the advisory message list. There are no orals or master lights associated with advisory messages.
The caret symbol preceding this and other ICAS messages indicates that there are no procedural steps and therefore not printed in the Quick Reference Handbook, QRH.